In today's video, we're going to be trying out the new Gyeon Tire Cleaner as well as their new tire dressing. Hey guys, hope all is well. Welcome back to the channel. I have a lot to cover this morning, so I want to get into it real quick. Got a couple new detailing products here at the shop this week. The first one being the Gyeon Tire Cleaner. Now you're probably wondering, Chad, why did you waste your money on a tire cleaner? Well, I wanted to test this product out because it says online that it's safe to use on ceramic coated wheels. And I want a product for my customers and you guys, if you have a ceramic coating on your wheel, that you can be safe cleaning your tire and not have to worry about like heavy degreasers, all-purpose cleaners. Some of the tire cleaners will actually kind of ruin the hydrophobic effects of your ceramic coating on your wheel. They just won't bead up quite as nice, and it will mess with the ceramic coatings. And online it said that this is safe to use on ceramic coated wheels. So today, unfortunately, my Honda doesn't have ceramic coating on the wheels, so we're not going to be able to see that today. But at least we'll get this prep the tires properly and see how well it cleans the rubber. The next product that we have here is the Gyeon Tire Express. I did test this out earlier this week on the Guitar Mageddon's EL1's truck, Nick. He had his truck in here. And this is more of a satin finish if you're looking for like a new tire look. It says right here on the bottle, quick and easy tire dressing, dry and wet use possible. So I guess you can apply it dry or wet if the tire's wet. That's fine. Allows rapid application, provides a natural satin look of the tire. And then at the bottom here it says repels dirt. Probably just want to ignore the repels dirt part. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. But if you're looking for a tire dressing that applies to a nice and finishes out to a nice satin look instead of like greasy and shiny, this might be the route to go. I don't know how long it lasts. I think it said online it may be like 2 washes. So you probably have to apply it every time you detail your truck or your car. That's how most tire dressings are. You got to reapply them on a regular basis. None of them last forever. This one here, the original Gyeon Tire, the blue stuff, this seems like it's a little bit more shiny. If you have a lot of grooves in your tire, typically if you don't level any excess off and you go drive it right away after you apply it, you're probably going to get some sling, and you'll notice it mostly on like dark painted vehicles. But this one, it holds up very well, but you still have to apply it probably every other wash or so. With that being said, guys, you guys can use any tire dressing you want. By no means am I saying these 2 tire dressings are the best tire dressings. I have 5 or 6 different tire shines and dressings here, and each have their own use. Some days I feel like using this, some days I feel like using that. Depends on the customer. Depends if they want a high shine, low shine, or no tire shine. Some guys don't want any tire shine, and I typically go the route of no tire shine if I can get the tires looking brand new. No tire shine at all. Everyone has their own preference though. Some guys like it super shiny where you can see your face in the tire, and then the next guy doesn't want any tire shine. So there's not really a wrong or right way or the best tire shine or a crappy tire shine. It's whatever you guys prefer. We detail cars every day here and making videos and stuff. I'm learning a lot from you guys. I'm learning a lot making videos on what you guys like to see, what our clients like to see. Just in the last video, some of the guys didn't like the music. I'm trying my best here, guys, to create good content that's super valuable to you. That's the most important thing. I want to create some kind of value, and if I can help one guy out of all you guys, that makes it worthwhile for us. So let's get started. I think I'm going to coat one side with the Gyeon Blue, the Gyeon Blue tire shine, and then maybe one side with the Tire Express, and then we'll go out on the wet roads and then come back and rinse them off and see what happens. Maybe it all rinses off, maybe it all stays there. I don't know what's going to happen. It's probably not the best comparison, but it's something. So let's get started. All right, guys, just got back to the shop. I went on some dirt roads, some gravel roads, got in some mud, got in some snow, lots of water still all over the road. And the right side actually probably got a little bit more use than the left side, because every time I had to pull over for a truck coming the other way, a couple guys are like, "What are you doing out here on this dirt road?" I'm like, "Oh, I'm shooting a tire shine video." So that was funny. But I would say that right side, even though it got more use, it held up a little bit better. The Gyeon Tire Shine, the blue stuff, actually beads up quite a bit and repels a lot of the water and mud. The left side, it says it repels dirt on the bottle, and I waited about an hour before I took it out for a spin, and it's winter time, so it probably wasn't fully dry, but the right side, the blue Gyeon Tire Shine, definitely held up better than the new stuff, that gray stuff, the Gyeon Tire Express. The Tire Express, the stuff that's here on the left side, you're probably going to have to apply it. Gosh, probably every wash, you're probably going to have to reapply this tire shine on a daily driver. The blue Gyeon Tire Shine, you're probably going to have to apply it, I don't know. It could be every wash, it might be every other, all depends on your driving conditions, but it doesn't seem to mind the water too much. A couple little spots where it came off, where I got down in the mud, but other than that, the right side, the original blue Gyeon Tire Shine held up better, in my opinion, than the new Gyeon Tire Express. So it all depends what you're looking for. If this wasn't a daily driver, it was a garage queen, I would definitely probably go Gyeon Tire Express, because I like that nice satin finish with no tire shine, the no tire shine look. But if you're looking for more long-term durability, you probably want to go with the Gyeon, the blue stuff. And I'm sure there's other stuff on the market. This isn't the only tire shine you can use. Like I said, Black Pearl has a permanent tire coating, and then there's Tire Clear Coat. That stuff definitely, it doesn't wipe off very easily, and it definitely doesn't wash off. It just, in time, it'll kind of flake off. But yeah, I would go with the original Gyeon blue tire shine. But anyway, guys, I'm going to get out of here. It's Saturday afternoon. Try to get home, edit this thing, and get it uploaded. Also, the giveaway winner for the last week's giveaway, Trap Cracker won the giveaway. So if you're watching this, Trap Cracker, shoot me an email. Link in the description below for my email, and that way I can get your stuff out to you. But anyway, guys, I'll catch you later. Have a good week, and thanks for watching.